Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating simple power issues. Remove the battery if you can and plug the AC adapter directly into the laptop. This isolates charger problems. Next, unplug every peripheral so nothing draws unexpected power or interrupts post. Once done, press and hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds to drain residual charge. This power reset clears hung firmware states. Then reconnect the adapter and attempt to start. If you get LED activity or fans, you've isolated the fault to battery or peripherals. Now open the case only if you're comfortable. Static-free handling matters. Start with RAM, remove all modules and test each stick in the primary slot one at a time. Bad RAM often prevents boot. Next, disconnect the primary storage drive and try to reach BIOS. If BIOS appears, storage or OS is at fault. While inside, visually inspect the motherboard for bulging capacitors, scorch marks, or loose cables. Tighten connectors and reseat the keyboard and display cables. These steps reveal many otherwise hidden failures. Finish by resetting firmware and recovering software. Reset CMOS by removing the coin cell or using the jumper for 1 to 5 minutes to clear corrupt settings, then reconnect and try booting. If firmware is fine but Windows won't start, boot a recovery USB to run startup repair or reinstall Windows. Make sure to back up data first if possible. If none of this works, note all LED patterns, beep codes, and noises. Provide those specifics to a technician because they drastically speed diagnosis and fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.